Powers of Raindrops. Power of raindrops. Chut. Chut, 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 chut. Chut, 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 chut. Chota, 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 chota. Powers of raindrops. Slowly, the whole African nations feeling the powers of raindrops. They are anchoring the ground. They are anchoring the earth. They conserve, preserve, replant, bio everywhere. But God's own country, God created the country, Kerala in South India, is facing frequent trouble. Assam, the hillocks, fault line, facing frequent trouble by destroying the natural anchorage. Lost roots of trees. Now it is plain. Tea estate is formed in its place. What is happening after experiencing 30-degree rains? After experiencing 2 days rain continuously, landslide happens. People, the hard-working labor force is buried under the mudslide, mud slipping, mud eroding. What is the remedy? The remedy is simple. Land, natural anchorage, land, tree roots. Visumbin tuli veedinallal matrange பசும்புல் தலை காண்பு அரிது திருக்குறள். எங்கும் பசும்புல் இருக்கட்டும், மலைகளில் எங்கும் பசும்புல்லை வளருங்கள், உடனே வளர்க்க வேண்டும். அதனுடைய ரூட்ஸ் புவியின் உட்பகுதிக்குள் செல்லட்டும். 1 inch to 30 feet, 1 inch deep depth to 30 feet is available in green grass. Replant green grass. Replant green grass. Save India from landslide. Save India from landslide. Understand the powers of raindrops. Understand the powers of raindrops.